Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of my Golf MK7 interior footwell illumination retrofit. So in the first part we've done some coding connecting to the BCM and the driver's footwell light. In part 2 I've guided the cable all the way to the passenger side. We got cables tucked over here for later installation for the back row, and today is the day, I believe. So what I've already done, I've planned to remove the seat. I even got the special thing for it to remove it. This is how the socket looks. But I've decided not to do that for two reasons. First of all, I'm not sure if it's safe enough for me to undo and install back the seat, safety reasons. And the second thing is, after removing this first screw, I believe that there was a nut underneath that's released. So if I remove the screw, the nut will fall down and I will not be able to put it back together that easily. So I've decided to screw it back in place and do it a different way. It kinda triggers my OCD, but let me just show you. The cable goes underneath over here and it jumps to the seat right here. So in this gap we can see that the wiring is in fact visible. And over there I'm not ready yet. I'm going to guide it under the carpet and connect it to the maybe let's do it like this, and connect it to this wiring loom, and then the job is pretty easy. All we need to do is place it where the light should be. Okay, so I'm going to try to do it over here, then passenger side, and we will see the results when it's dark. Here's a view from the back. There's a plastic rivet over here, but I think that we can undo it, and after that this will open and we will guide this cable underneath, and then use zip ties to connect it to this. And the factory place for light is over here. Okay, it doesn't took a long time to do it. You can see that's installed over here, and once I have a LED bulb inside, I will just fit it here, and the excess cable will be hidden somewhere under here. The wiring looks like this. I'm not using zip ties because I found something, I believe, even better than zip ties. Let me show you. It looks like this, and you can use it from one side or the other side, and one of the sides sticks to the carpets and the other not. So you can use it to grab some cables together, and then depending on which side you are using, you can stick the cables to the carpet or whatever surface you have, if it grabs to it. Okay, so let's do the other side, then fit some LEDs, and we'll check it over here and wait for the night. Also the light looks like this. You can also find, let me just show you, you can also find something like this. It's much taller, so I'm not sure you will be able to fit it as easily as the other one, but there's number of lights that you can fit over here, and the dimension, I believe, is 21 millimeters wide and 46 millimeters long. I'm talking about the hole that that you need to fit this inside. And done. We have light over here. We have light over here. We have light in the front, on the left side and on the right side. And as a bonus, I can show you what I have in the trunk right now. Additionally to the standard light, I have this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. And for this compartment, additional 2 LEDs to illuminate this part, because I very often travel with something over there. Okay, I have very bright bulbs in front and dimmer ones in the back. I'm waiting for package to replace them, so the illumination is consistent all across the vehicle. But you can see that those lights are working well. Yeah, you can see it over here. It's very bright and not so bright over here. It's working very well, and if the vehicle is on and doors are closed, we have a ambient illumination over here as well. Okay, so I'm going to check the trunk since I'm here. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. And that's it for today. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorials, and check the description below this video if you want to buy some of the parts that I've used. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe for future ones, check my other videos, and see you soon.